in nature, energy exists in countless forms. And over the years, human are discovering there are many things, which through ways we can get energy from the nature. And it is not just new thing. Its thing is going on from thousands of years before. Like almost in beginning, what we human discovered that fruits, vegetable, plants, these are the common things which give us energy. Because for doing anything mechanical, physical, we need food. So it gives us energy. That there are carbohydrate, vitamins, and protein are in the foods. So we need them. But we don't settle. Like we humans, the best quality humans we have, that we don't settle for anything. We are continuously evolving, and it is the best quality we have, because we always want to become more and more what we are now, and it is the best quality we have. So humans were discovering many things, like then they discovered fire. And how they discovered it? By striking, by colliding two stones together, the fire can burn, spark can burn, and you can light up. So we never settle. Then when we find that a spark can, so we make a huge fire of that. And maybe some days so thousands of years before people are playing bonfire. So yeah, that's the beautiful quality of human we have, that we don't settle for anything. We are continuously evolving, and we are continuously curious, and we should. But nature didn't settle. There are countless ways we can get energy from nature. Like there are many beautiful forms, like rivers flowing beautifully, oceans, and many seas, and wind. So then what human discovered, and from it even the sun, that we can make electricity from water through turbine, and we can make windmill to get energy from air, and from solar we get what? Solar energy, and we make solar plate. So there are countless examples and countless ways through which we can get energy from nature. Countless. So nature is full of energy. But again, here is a interesting point and interesting thought, that everything we see in nature, we should not see as a point of that we should get anything from that, that we should get energy from that. There are some things in nature which are beautiful, which we should not see that everything how can be used. There are some things which are beautiful, and it's also give us positive energy if you are seeing in the term of energy. Like a beautiful flower is growing, so you don't see how I crushed and how I make something out of medicine or some color out of that. No man, flower is glowing, so it gives us positive vibes, it gives beautiful feeling, and it heals our soul, it heals our mental, emotional, psychology, and we feel very light. We feel how beautiful, like butterfly is coming out of cocoon, we feel beautiful. So everything in nature we should not see as how to be used. There are many things in nature which we are using, so there is nothing bad in that, but we should not see everything how can we use. How we can use some things, but not see everything, because see, by seeing things, like we are seeing that like when sun is rising up, how beautiful it's look. I know we can make solar energy, but everything is not we can see now, that how can we use it. Something else looks beautiful. So yeah man, nature is beautiful, and it gives us many sources to many sources of energy. But every time we should not see inner nature and how can we use. Sometimes it's beautiful, only beautiful, see only is beautiful, and feel nature. It's heal us, and it allow us to make one with oneself when we see. And yeah, as the day are coming, we are also discovering more and more ways to get energy from nature, and it's also beautiful. And it's also beautiful to see just see the nature, appreciate the nature, come close with nature, and feel wonderful. So yeah, we should go both ways. Okay, both ways, it's fine nah, both ways. Yeah, not in one way. So both ways is fine. Yeah, both ways is fine. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. See you.